Boundary buckle. This tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can use the rectangle tool and the tilde character. That's that one there on the keyboard. Now hold the tilde character down when you go over here to select the rectangle tool, and I've got no fill and I've got to set a stroke there. Okay, so what happens, it creates some interesting lines. You've got that interesting design you can just add there. Now what I could have done, I'm going to Control Z, so get rid of that and hold the tilde down again. But what you can do, you can go back over there. You can also go the other direction as well, that central point, and you can go out that way, and you can also go out that direction, and you can create this sort of line effect. Now, of course, they're just basic lines. You can use various tools to fill them. So what you can do, just quickly go over here to there's all the various width tool, warp tool if you want to distort them, but you can also use the live paint bucket. So select that, and now what I want to do, I'm just going to set, say, red, and got that selected. I'm just going to go over there. You can see there, click to make that, and I can just quickly click that, and you can see the little arrow there. It's just a little arrow, so you actually know where you're actually clicking. That's one trouble sometimes, but it's very close. You can't see where you're clicking. So just go over there and click, 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 and click, and so on and so on. So you can just fill the whole range of designs to create a sort of very unusual abstract design just using that tool. And of course, what you can do then, you can go and select another colour, and you can use the arrow keys. You can actually change the colour, so you can actually just hold little arrow keys over it there in the numeric pad, and you can just change the colour. So you go for, say, an orange there, and you can just then go click orange, 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 and so on and so on. It obviously take a bit of time, just go through this whole design, but if you wanted to, you just fill the whole thing with different colours, and again just go through the colour schemes, maybe green there, and I can add another one there. Now I'm obviously not going to go through the whole lot, it will take too long, but what you can do once you've selected it, you've got all those designs, you can of course remove the stroke if you wish. At that point you can actually just say no stroke, so you can just see it just as a design there. We can undo that and maybe just group it or expand it as well, and then maybe just group that design, move that around, and of course you can hold the Alt down and you can make multiple copies of that very abstract line design like that, and so on and so on. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.